I'm about to lose my mind up in here. I thought I was recording. Been talking for a long time, y'all, doing a whole lot, and I ain't recording now one thing. I went to go grab something and I checked and I forgot to push the button. So let me show you what I'm doing. Right now, I have taken this $5 bookshelf that I purchased from the thrift store at Goodwill. As you can see, it's actually a 4 shelf, but right now it's a 3 shelf bookshelf. And I have put contact paper all over it on the outer side so far. And at first I was going to use a primer and prime this white and everything, but why bother, especially when I'm going to put the marble all over it and also on the inside. So the marble that I'm using is this one right here. It is called Duck Deco adhesive laminate. This is actually shelf liner, but I'm using it to do it. It's a nice natural looking marble. It looks natural because there's no shine and sheen to it, so it is perfect. So I'm not going to finish recording because I am so aggravated, but I'm going to show you my finished result. Oh yeah, I purchased this from Walmart, and like I said, I got the bookshelf from Goodwill for $4.97. Be back. Okay, this is the finished project of me doing the bookcase and making it look like, putting the marble contact paper, and me myself, I put it on the under part of the shelves where I thought that would be seen. And it really does make a big difference of how it looked. But I'm not finished, putting my thing on it. But this is what it looks like so far. So this is what my dresser inside my walk-in closet is looking like right now. It looks like a jumbled mess. And I cannot possibly put my new gorgeousness in here with this looking like this. So I'm about to change it. Okay guys, this is my final results. What I did was I added a shelf and I changed those big plastic bins into these soft dark gray and light gray. And I, reorganized a few items. It's still a little bit of junky, but I'm still working on it. I put a little bit of that marble contact paper on the dresser that I have in here, and I think it turned out fabulous. And the very big project was this bookcase that I put contact paper on. And what I did is I found a beautiful area rug that can fit inside my closet. And this is a bookshelf that I had purchased from the Goodwill for $4.97, and I used the marble contact paper to bling it up. And on this side of my closet, I removed those big plastic bins, and what I did was I added a tension rod for another garment rack, because I had a lot of ceiling space, if you understand, but that shelf is still there. And what I did was I put my most fabulous, the things that I love. I love some glitter and some fringe and leather and stuff, and I love having it displayed up high and just having my regular stuff down here. And I still have my cedar chest. I have no intentions of putting no contact paper on that. And the best part is adding this beautiful chandelier in my closet, so it really gives it like a boutique feel. And there's nothing wrong with having a little bling bling up in your room. So I know this wasn't really a tutorial of how to, but this is basically showing you what I've been up to. So I hope that you like seeing this video. Do give me a thumbs up. I mean, I really went through the ringer through this. My room looked like chaos for weeks while I was trying to get my vision of how I wanted my walk-in closet to look. So if you like seeing videos like this, DIYs, thumbs me up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And yes. Bye, guys.